What's up, Luxe Babes? Let me take these out. What's up, Luxe Babes? I am back with another video, and today we're going to be installing this synthetic wig that I made. Y'all, my wig stand is broke. I didn't break it, but hey, we're gonna talk about it. Never mind the edges or whatever. Okay, so y'all, look at this little reversible bunny I made. Y'all, it's very much ratchet. I think I cut myself for real. It's very much ratchet. Ooh, don't mind me. But I'm learning how to make reversible bunnies for my hair business. So yeah. This is a 22-inch body wave. It's from a video from earlier. We're going to install this wig. So I just got a new hat comb today. So excited. If y'all want to donate and get me a new wig stand, I would greatly appreciate it. My P.O. box is 141 Shorter, Alabama 36075. Anywho, so I got lashes on. Yeah. So yeah, I tried to crimp it, but for some reason, it was not having it. Like, it was not crimping. So I was like, dang, I can't crimp it. I was gonna record and crimp it for y'all, but I was gonna make sure it wouldn't burn on video, so it would not let me crimp. So we're just gonna deal with the little waves that it does have. So, okay, so I sprayed this yesterday with my spray, so I'm just gonna put the wig on. I did it with a sewing machine, so yeah. So I'm just gonna put the wig on real quick, flip it over and fix it. Please don't mind the edges, because I can't do edges to save my life, but y'all, this is pretty cute. So okay, we're gonna try to get this melted into the skin. So I'm just gonna hot comb it. As you can see, this hot comb is pretty hot. Yes, it is hot as hell. I really don't want to burn myself. Boom. So I hot combed it. And yes, we're gonna glue this wig down. I'm just putting my baby hairs back. It's okay. Ooh. So I didn't pluck it for real, cause I don't want it to be like a frontal style. I just want it to be like a regular closure. But I will just pluck that part right there. Okay. So we're going to, like I said, glue it down. Am I gonna sleep with it? Hell no, cause it's freaking synthetic, and I don't want it to mess up. So here's the wig on. Not glued down or anything. So what I'm gonna do is flip that back right there, and we're going to glue this thing down. Well, it got to be, cause I don't have the wig glue. We only gonna do maybe like one layer. Yeah, I haven't glued my hair down in so long. Oh, I got a bump right there. And we're gonna see how well this melts. Let me make a TikTok.
Alright, bro, it's so deep, bro.
We're making a little TikTok. And let me record me.
2 minutes, I did.
And I'm gonna spray. Okay, he got that spray doing this stupid shit again. I thought I was gonna have to use the Gorilla Glue spray. Not playing that. That stuff not funny, but she knew better. So we're gonna spray that, then we're gonna put it on cool, wait, warm, and then hot. We're gonna do 2 coats. Okay, it's a little tacky, and we're gonna do another coat because it's down there all the way dry. So, do another nice coat. And then this time, I don't know, I might not put the spray on there.
We're gonna do a second coat.
Do the spray. Cool. Okay, so it's getting tacky now. And, ooh, so now we gonna, hold on. Cause it's probably not what I wanted. So I'm gonna take it and then, you know, let me make sure this is straight. Okay, now I'm gonna press it into the hair. Yeah, it looked a little bit, yeah, it was most definitely cricket. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take this, we're gonna move all this back like that. And we're gonna lay this down. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm probably gonna blow dry it. So I'm not good at cutting the lace at all. So boom. And we just gonna take this. I can't really see. So even if it do look crazy, it's okay. We'll fix it. So now I'm just gonna use some scissors and cut that. So as you can see, TikTok just don't see the rawness of it. Y'all will though, cause I'm loyal to y'all. TikTok, You see, I done cut the hair off. It's okay. So now I'm just gonna cut that right there. So we're gonna go through that area, and then we're gonna spray all the lifted areas, right? And we're gonna take the comb and then take this. As you can see, when I spray it, when you spray that down, y'all, I'm telling you. It's just all about what you know how to do. Is you mad that I came to the party? No. I just want the suit right there. So I just had to find the hair that I wanted the suit, cut it. Okay, see, yeah. There's definitely too much edge on this side, but it's okay. Ooh. Okay, so I wrapped my hair up again. So while my edges are setting in, we're going to do a little lip. So now I take it, I just take my finger and go like that. This is actually eyebrow stuff, so I just outline my lips. And, you know, it's the hang there for me. So now I'm gonna take the black one and do another lip outline so it can be a little darker. I'm showing you my lip. Okay, girl. Yeah, this process normally takes me like 2 or 3 tries. You hear how it look at it? You see look how it looks a mess? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. So we took it off. Y'all, this video is 30 something long. I be looking crazy. I know you doing it, but I gotta get it right. So now I just take my hanger once again and smudge it in. That's when I take some lip gloss and put it on there. So now I'm just gonna take this off. Hopefully it looks okay. So now we're gonna hot comb. Our part do look a little cricket, but hey. Now I gotta take it to the when I was down to talk, you went in for you. Hello. I gotta brush it because y'all. This is the wig. When I was down to talk, you went in for you. Leave a trail of heartbreak. So I got some powder and putting it down my part. Like, yeah. And I'm also gonna put the powder on. Y'all, we're not gonna mind it right there. We just worry about what shows, okay? See, when you get up close, I don't know, this lace look a little melted to me. Look melted to me, but the hair is 1, the color 1. I wish I would have got a different color or something like that because I normally don't wear black hair. But y'all, for it to be, I paid $33 for it basically. And it's 22 inches, by the way. You can put heat on it, a little heat. I hot comb it, as you can see. No burning, no melting, none of that. But as you can, most definitely flat, most definitely melts. I did not bleach these knots. I just sprayed my color on there and then put a little foundation, as you can see. I have not tried curling it, but it says you can put heat on it. But I don't think I'm gonna put like curling heat on it because when I tried to crimp it, ow, it burnt me. I just wrapped my hand through it and it burnt me. That's synthetic right there. But yeah, y'all, if you need a little quick go get you some body wave hair. I don't know if I forgot the name of it, but of course I'll put it in the name or something like that. But y'all, it's pretty for pictures. Right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me installing this synthetic wig. And yes, it looks natural. It looks like human hair from the top a little bit, but when you get to these ends, yeah, you see that. I'm trying to brush them, but they still look a little if. See, still look a little iffy, but when it's all flat and said and done, then who cares? Who knows? I don't think I would ever straighten this hair because then it would really look synthetic. Yeah, I got my 25mm lashes on. Blink, blinks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell because why I keep stuttering? Because the notification babes are the best babes in the nation. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna be posting every week. I don't know how many times a week, but every week I will be posting. I love you guys. Bye.